Right, it's Wednesday. I think it's meant to be clear for the rest of the week now. So Alex is just finishing the door fall off with a crap mortar because the cement bag was wet. So we've got that to do. I'm just up on the trestles now, setting the profile up and cutting this back. The external profiles look ready, and then we're going to string a line up for our pike. Came last night to work out the measurements, so we're going to put a line up roughly for our cuts. Bad stuff that, isn't it?
What?
Bad stuff.
It's not great.
We should have just threw it. If we had somewhere to throw it, and we can put a new mix in. Yeah, so profiles in, just need to come once I've done these cuts and got this insulation off the wall. pipe 1 done. That was awkward, as it always is. So we're going to run out of blocks, so I'm going to pop and get them now, have a quick dinner, and I'm just going to move everything over and load out while I'm away. Get this, probably won't get it finished today with it being dark at probably 5. So we'll see how we go. So forgot the camera. Forgot we were coming here. It's about 3:30 on a Friday afternoon, so site shuts at 3 o'clock on a Friday. Al, knock that off please, mate. Yeah, so it's about 3:30. We finish early on a Friday, and we actually just live at the bottom. We actually work at the bottom of the hill, so we're all boxed off now. We just popped up to do last few cuts on that that pike there. Oh, it's just doing a bit of pointing I've missed. There's only half a dozen cuts to do. Just the rake cuts. There's a couple at the end there and a couple at the top. So we didn't have any roof to work to, so we've just put a rough line up for now. So if it needs raising or lowering, then we can come back. We're only up the road. So that's it. That's a nice straightforward build, that. Just the weather as usual. Yeah, that's it. I can always try and get a picture of this when it's done as well. It's getting rendered as well, obviously. So that's it for this one. See you on the next one. Toodaloo. Right, I've just popped back to the extension job just to catch a little bit of footage. There's the roof's on, frames aren't in yet though. Looks quite good, can't zoom in. So here we are, all the insulation's gone, roof's on, partially insulated, looks like some lights going in it. Looking good. I think that's grey fascia board on there. I've got the blockwork right, no piecing up to do, no cutting to do. Nice tidy garden now too. There it is. That's going to look smart once it's all rendered. Yeah, looking good. Nice lights on this in the soffit too. So that's it for this one. I'm not going to get another video of it before we post the video on YouTube. So that's a lot for now. Maybe get a finished picture on Instagram. So see you in the next one.